Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be solving the equation 7 times x minus 8 equals 13. To find the value of x that satisfies this equation, we will go step by step through the process of isolating the variable. Let's get started. To solve for the variable in the equation 7x minus 8 equals 13, we need to isolate the variable x on one side of the equation. Let's begin with step 1. First, look at the equation. 7x minus 8 equals 13. We notice that 8 is being subtracted from 7x. An important rule in solving equations is to perform operations to both sides of the equation to maintain balance. To eliminate the minus 8 term from the left side, we need to add 8 to both sides of the equation. When we add 8 to the left side of the equation, the minus 8 and the plus 8 cancel each other out because minus 8 plus 8 equals 0. This simplifies the left side to just 7x. On the right side of the equation, we already have 13, and we must add 8 to it as well. So adding 8 to both sides of the equation, we get 7x equals 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8 equals 21. Therefore, after completing the operation, our equation is now simplified to 7x equals 21. This concludes step 1. We have successfully altered the original equation to 7x equals 21 by eliminating the minus 8 term through addition. Step 2. We now have the simplified equation 7x equals 21. Our goal is to isolate the variable x so that we can determine its value. In this step, we need to eliminate the coefficient of 7 that is currently multiplied by x. To do this, we will use the operation of division. When we divide both sides of an equation by the same non-zero number, we maintain the balance of the equation. In our case, we will divide both sides of the equation by 7, which is the number currently multiplied by x. First, let's address the left side. When we divide 7x by 7, we are left with x because 7 divided by 7 equals 1, and 1 times x is just x. Now let's address the right side. We need to divide 21 by 7. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. Therefore, after dividing both sides of the equation by 7, we have successfully isolated x. Our final equation is x equals 3. This concludes step 2 and the problem-solving process. We have determined that the value of the variable x is 3. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.